Most believers try to resist lust by simply saying no. But Scripture reveals, freedom doesn't start with saying no to lust. It starts with saying yes to truth. What I'm about to share are 7 Bible verses that don't just help you survive lust, but uproot it completely. These are not generic scriptures. These are battle-tested strategies that go deep into your mind, your identity, and your spiritual wiring. One of them contains a hidden brain pattern that has helped hundreds of believers find permanent freedom. Don't just listen. Practice. Jesus said, "Watch and pray so that you will not fall into temptation. The spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak." Here's the first truth. Most Christians try to fight lust at the moment it appears. But Jesus teaches us to prepare before it strikes. Temptation is not won in the moment. It's won in advance. The practical method? Temptation pre-prayer. Every morning, name your weak spot. Pray, "Lord, I see it coming. Help me see the way out." By doing this, you're not reacting to temptation. You're ambushing it spiritually. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. This verse isn't just a reward. It's a strategy. Lust clouds your vision of God. Purity doesn't just stop sin. It clears your spiritual eyes. Want to beat temptation? Increase your God vision. Put a picture of the cross as your phone wallpaper. Every time temptation rises, look at it. Remember the price Jesus paid. This visual anchor breaks the emotional spell and resets your mind on eternity. I have made a covenant with my eyes not to look lustfully at a young woman. Here lies the secret of predecision. Job didn't say, "I'll try not to look." He made a covenant. Lust is defeated by prior boundaries. Write a simple line in your notes app. "I refuse to dishonor God with my eyes today." Read it aloud daily. Why? Neuroscience confirms. Spoken truth programs you, your subconscious. You're rescripting your default reactions. Set your minds on things above, not on earthly things. Lust gains power when your attention is lazy. Here's the practical truth. The opposite of lust isn't purity, it's purpose. Fill your schedule with mission. The idle mind is lust's playground. Write 3 kingdom goals this week. When temptation hits, immediately take one small action toward a goal. This is not distraction, it's redirection. The mind can't chase sin and purpose at the same time. Flee from sexual immorality. Whoever sins sexually sins against their own body. Notice the word, flee. Not argue, not reason, not fight. Run. But how? Lust wants you to stay just long enough to engage. So here's the tactic. 2-second rule. When a lustful image shows up, respond within 2 seconds. Look away, close the tab, walk out. The quicker your response, the weaker the hook. The longer the stare, the deeper the snare. Be holy, because I am holy. This is not about shame. It's about identity. You're not just trying to stop sinning. You're becoming someone new. Holiness is not about being better. It's about being different. Each time you resist lust, you are agreeing with heaven's version of you. Speak this aloud. I am not just forgiven. I am being made holy. Words create worlds. Speak the future you're stepping into. No discipline seems pleasant at the time, but it produces a harvest of righteousness and peace. Fighting lust feels hard, but so does staying stuck. Discipline hurts for a moment. Regret hurts for a lifetime. Replace the lie that says this is too hard with future fruit thinking. When temptation comes, say, what harvest do I want? This one question turns your short-term craving into a long-term vision. Lust loses its grip when your future becomes more attractive than your fantasy.